What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. We're seeing at 0.04017, up 3.7 on the day. Market cap 1.12 billion, 25 volume 334 million. We absolutely crushed it on Gala this week with our trades. As you can see, this trade hit TB4. We had swing trades, we had day trades. They all hit their take profits at 191% gain. You can gain free access to my trade signals. We had like 12, 13 winning trades and 1 loss. And this week, free access at the end of the video. So we're actually in a trade right now. There's my entry. Usually I wouldn't show that, but it's already moving. So you have a nice little inverse head and shoulders. Let me zoom out a little bit. So what I'm looking at is wave 1 to the upside, wave 2, impulse, wave 3. Wick down, wave 4, 1 more wave up in a 5. This is a high risk trade, especially with the movement of BTC. But you have a nice little inverse head and shoulders, so decent chance you put up to that target zone. There's TP1, TP2, and the signal was given in the Discord. And once we complete that, then we'll see a larger pullback. So from the low, we have a wave 1 to the upside. Let me remove this fib. Wave 2 pullback, your wave 3 target 0.05889, the 161.8. So within that wave 3 in red are 5 waves. So right now you have a beautiful wave 1 to the upside, push a little higher, complete the wave 1, boom, you're going to pull back maybe 0.03271. If we go back under 3 cents, if we pull back to 0.02821, my largest investment is Gala Games, and I swear to you I will double it. I already have a large, I don't want to say the number because, you know, I live in South Africa and people are watching, but I have quite a substantial sum in Gala, and honestly, if we drop back under 3 cents, I would double it. So if we pull back in a wave 2, that's what you'd look for. Pull back in a wave 2, there's your levels. Are these lined up with levels of support? That's what I usually do for my take profit, support and resistance. Yeah, 0.0282, 0.0321 before continuing up in a 345 for our friend Gala. So that's what I'm looking at. One more higher high, I think that's the higher probability, and then see a large pullback. Guys, my signals, we're absolutely crushing it. Look at this, ADA plus 30%. We had 1 losing trade all week. Sol plus 34%. IOTA 7%. I closed these early. They're pumping right now. ZEC 9% just to protect capital. Hook 13%. RVN 31%. Where's my Gala trades? VET XRP 14%. Here's my Gala trades. 190% move, 66% move. Wow, man, we just absolutely crush it all week long. And if you want completely free access, all you have to do is sign up to either Bitget. Bitget is no KYC, no VPN all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders, or MEXC is where I'm also trading, because they have many trading pairs, but there's no KYC. But if you're in the US and Canada, you have to use a VPN. Bitfinex 10% rebate on your trading fees. Sign up to either exchange. The links are at the top of the comments. Make a deposit, can be $10, $100, $1,000. Send me email and I'll give you access to what will absolutely change your life. My VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. As I mentioned, I haven't counted it yet, but like 12, 13 winning trades, 1 loss. And the loss was 15%, and most of the wins were over that. We did have 11 and 8%, but the Gala trade 66%, 190%. The RVN trade was like 30, 40%. So yeah, it's been an insane week of trading. VChain 30%. So yeah, make sure to sign up to one of those exchanges. It will take you 2 minutes. Make your deposit, send me an email. Easy as that. Forex day trades, Forex daily analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex all in one place. I can help you set up your Forex broker, no KYC. All links down below. Just want to help you reach financial freedom. And that's it for this one. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.